Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nazla Fahira Kamil, and in this video I will present a journal article related to global Englishes. The title of article I read is Language Diversity and Teaching Practices, Japanese High School Teachers of English by Sayaka Saito and Marianne Turner, published in Asian English Journal in 31 on March 2025. This article discusses how Japanese high school English teachers' understanding of language diversity affects their teaching practices. Let's begin with the introduction section of the article. This article begins by discussing how English language teaching in Japanese high school often centers on a standardized native speaker model, although there is a global scholarship emphasizing language diversity and pluralistic approaches in TESOL. The purpose of this study is to investigate how Japanese secondary school English teachers understand language diversity and how this understanding informs their classroom practices. In the context of global English, this study highlights the gap between traditional English teaching methods in Japan and more inclusive and diversity-oriented frameworks such as World English, English an International Language, English a Lingua Franca, and translation. The key findings of the study indicate that Japanese high school teachers conceptualize language diversity in varied ways, from focusing on inner circle or native speaker model to embracing world Englishes and translanguaging approaches. One significant result is that this different conceptualization align with distinct classroom activities and teaching practices reported by the teachers. In relation to global Englishes, the findings show that while some teachers adopt more pluralistic and communicative approaches, others still prioritize native speaker norms, reflecting an ongoing tension in Japanese English language education. This article used the concept of language diversity, specifically illustrating frameworks such as World Englishes, English an International Language, English as a Lingua Franca, and translanguaging. A major theoretical framework mentioned is Kairos three circles model, which categorizes English varieties globally, and the concept of translanguaging, which views language use a holistic, integrated repertoire rather than discrete code. In terms of global Englishes, this helps us to understand the need for a shift from monolithic native speaker model to more inclusive, context-sensitive approaches in English language teaching. The author conclude that Japanese high school English teachers varied understanding of language diversity directly influence their teaching practice, but remains a strong influence of traditional native speaker models. This study suggests that future research should focus on how to better integrate pluralistic and translingual perspective into classroom practice and teacher education. For policymakers or educators, this study implies that curricular and professional development reforms are needed to bridge the gap between global scholarship on English diversity and actual teaching practice in Japan. To conclude, this article has helped me understand more about the influence of teacher understanding of language diversity on teaching practices. I have found this article insightful because it showed the variety of teacher perspective and challenges in adapting a more inclusive approach in English in the Indonesian context. The study is especially relevant because English language learning is also still mostly native speaker dominated. So the insight can be applied to curriculum changes and teacher training. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it gives you some insight into global Englishes and how English is evolving in today's world. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.